Hey everyone, it's me Gavin, and this will be a video on how to prevent an object being emitted from another object. The problem is essentially that when you emit an object from another object, it has a tendency to throw one object back, and I'm going to show you how this happens and how to fix it. So, alright, I'm just going to get started. So let's go into layer 2 by clicking where my mouse is right here. Let's do spacebar and then add a surface sphere. Add surface sphere like this. And let's convert this surface sphere to a mesh by hitting Alt and C and convert to mesh. And I'll rename this something as, let's say objects. Actually, I'll just call it bullet or something very similar to that. Alright. Hit new right here in the materials tab and let's apply, let's say, a blue coloring to it. And let's select Blender Game right here and give this object, how about character physics? Like this. And let's go back into layer 1 right here. And let's do spacebar and then add a plane because we're going to want a plane to be underneath our cube right here. And I'll hit S and 10 to scale it out. Right click on your cube in the middle and change the physics type to character with actor selected. And hit P and you can see our cube's going to drop right here. Now let's actually go into the game engine right here. And on the game engine, with our cube selected, let's have a keyboard sensor. This will be space with tap selected. And for the key, I'll put the space bar. Let's connect it to an actuator that's edit objects. And for the add object, we'll have it be bullets. So every time we press the space bar, it'll add a bullets. And for this right here, for the time, I'm going to put, let's say, 25. Now what should happen is that when we hit P, the cube is probably going to bounce back. Like you can see, it's going to be doing that weird thing. It's being pushed back. And actually, I just thought about something. Go back into layer 2, and on your bullet object, let's add an always sensor with those first 3 dots selected, and add an edit object add a motion actuator, sorry, and put this as 0.5 or something like that for the motion on the positive y-axis. If we go back into layer 1, we should be able to see that if we hit play, it'll push that cube off to the side. This is essentially a problem because you're emitting an object with physics like a character physics from within another object with character physics. It's kind of weird, but that's how it works. So what you need to do is I'll just do my bullet object. If you click right here, just keep one of the physics type as actor, but then have ghost selected. And the reason why you'd want ghost selected is that, one of the traits of a ghost is that it doesn't interact with objects like this. So we can see the bullet will emit fine. But if we take off this ghost right here, it won't. so yeah. Alright, so that's how that works. So that's how to prevent an object from throwing your cube forward when you shoot. I hope you guys find that very useful.